morning. Today we're gonna head back down to my parents' house. We're gonna do a quick update on his motor. I think we started that, putting the motor in, I don't even know, a few weeks ago. He's waiting on a part from the engine builder. The front of the motor, the front motor plate was wrong. So we're gonna go down, check out the motor. He has an issue with his shingles on his roof. We're gonna repair today. And we also have to cut firewood. So we're gonna load some stuff up. And then we're gonna get back to putting this 6.7 back in the Dodge later on this weekend. So here we go. Well, I made it to my parents' house, so let me show you what's going on here. These front covers on these 6-liter Fords, this water jacket here where the lower radiator hose bolts to, this is for a different application. The warranty place that he's called for this motor said that they put the wrong front cover on it. This is supposed to come down and kind of at an angle down and around, because his lower radiator hose will come down and kind of into the radiator here. What we're having an issue with is we have to get this low pressure oil pump gear off, and when you slide it out, it hits this wear ring here. My dad's in calling that place right now because they're sending us a new front cover, but he's calling to see if they can send us this new wear ring, which I don't know if you can see, but it's already got some scuffs on it anyways. And in order to get those off, we will damage it getting it off. There's not a video out there showing how to remove that. I just know that if you hit it with a chisel, kind of kitty corner and then kitty corner on two sides, it'll expand that enough you can just slide it out. But you still got to be careful because that is the front part of the crankshaft. If he gets verification that they'll send us this wear ring, or if we can find one locally, then I can get that off, and I'll make a quick little part on this video about it. But I'm gonna get set up. I'll get a ladder up and some other stuff up on the roof, and then I'll show you what we're doing up on the roof today. That's the real project. We can't do much on this engine today, mainly because we're waiting on that front cover. So I'll get set up and come back. All right, so here's the reason why we're here today. We roofed this house, I don't know, 8 years ago. And when I say we, it means everybody in the family helped out. I don't know yet if whoever was doing this side of the house ran out of nails or what happened. We could see that this is the top layer that's supposed to still be stuck here. Hopefully I don't step on that and go for a ride. Oh yeah. Looks like there's nails. Okay. So whoever was helping us at the time was putting nails way at the top. That doesn't hold anything. They're supposed to be down in this tar line, just in it or just barely above it. But it looks like we could reuse the majority of the shingles. So I'm gonna go down and get nails and just start relaying this stuff until we have to start digging up into that peak area. That might be more of a pain, so I'll figure out what we got to do. All right, there it is. I know it's not perfect, but when you're on a fixed income and I'm the helper, it won't leak. It didn't leak even before this. We don't even know why. We happened to spot it last time I was out here, and that'll have to do. All right, now that we're done with the roof, we're gonna take this little sleeve off here. So you can tell by putting an X like that, it'll start spinning. So we're just gonna go around and do a few of them. Okay. It actually moved. There. It should start slipping off of there. You're not trying to cut it off, you're just trying to get it to come out. So there it is. You set this on a piece of steel. Just need any kind of a little clicker torch. And you're just going to heat the center like that. You don't really want to heat the ring itself, and that'll just expand it enough. And it'll slip right back on that. It's that simple. Alright, here's what I'm really here for. We're going to make this big pile of random firewood. Hopefully, for the most part, disappear today, except for the giant things I can't get in my truck and split right now, so we'll show it later. Well, I made a home with wood. We didn't take it all, we just took a load. Honestly, I didn't remember to film any of it. I've been so busy trying to get things done, I don't even remember to film. So today was a boring day for everybody else, but lots of excitement for me. Let me know if you like this kind of video.